Is greed a more personal thing? Everybody should find a personal way to control their greed. Yeah, greed is it's all a personal thing. Everything is a personal thing. Everything is a personal thing. One fix doesn't fix everybody, right? One book doesn't fix everybody. It might fix this person, might help that person, but it may not help the other person. Yeah, greed is all personal. Like, why are you greedy? It's because you need money, right? If you need money, why do you want to make it an FX when there's a million other ways to make money? Do you even have the skill to make money in FX yet? Do you even have the consistency to make an FX yet? You want to make it an FX, but do you have the skill to make an FX, right? Do you have the skill to make an FX? Do you have all the sample size done? If not, then maybe if you're in need of money, find a different way to make money. Work a job, and then treat trading as a side hobby until it naturally replaces your income, right? But when you put too much pressure on making money in FX or making an FX, that's when you become more greedy. Because when you look at the charts, you're not looking at the charts. This is how you're looking at the charts, chat. This is how you're looking at it. You're like this. This is literally how you are. And what you're looking at is greed. What you're looking at is FOMO. What you're looking at, I gotta pay my bills. What you're looking at, damn, I got rent to pay. That's what you're looking at. When you remove that, you can see the charts much more clear. So every time you're in a trade and you're in a position, you're always thinking, damn, I need to make 5% this week so that I can pay rent by the end of the month. You're not thinking about, damn, prices tap the yellow zone as my resistance, and it's a level, this is a level here that we could reject that. Which means that take profit at. So that's the problem. You know, this is how so a lot of people be trading. Like, damn, but you gotta remove that. So yeah, it's all a personal issue. I don't know everyone's personal, like what they go through in their lives. I know what I go through, so I know how to work, you know, it out for myself, but I can't get the answer for everybody. Everyone's different. Make sense to the chat? You just can't force things to happen when it's not meant to happen yet, you know? And maybe it's a sign. Maybe it's a sign. You gotta sharpen your skills a little more, and that's okay. You don't gotta make it in trading after the first year. There's no rush for that. You can spend there 2-3 years learning the craft still, making the same mistakes. But the more mistakes you make, the better off you'll be usually. So don't be afraid to make the mistake as well. A lot of people are afraid to make the mistake. So then they take a break. They take a break because they think they need some time off to reset their mental. Just continue making a mistake. Just continue making a mistake until you stick of it, right? It might be 2 months of drawdown, it might be 2 months of like literally shit trading, but at least you're going through the motions every day. You'll pick up things naturally in those 2 months compared to just taking a break, not doing anything, thinking you're taking a mental reset, come back and you haven't learned anything. Right? So whenever you're in that situation, maybe in those 2 months, lower your balance, lower your lots, because you know you're trading like shit right now. That's what I did, right? That's what I did after summer. 2 months of shit trading, but now we're here, right? It took some time, but I didn't stop. I didn't just say, I'm taking a break. Nah, because you have to go through the motions every day. Otherwise, you're not learning anything in those 2 months. You're not, like, you gotta enjoy your struggles in trading. You have to. But that's all I'll say. Look how he looks so nonchalant and composed while observing those charts. Alright, bro. Thanks for the follow though, cute boy 9696. I appreciate you. Well rated old 2. Yo, chat, follow only mode. Yo, mods, can you put on follow only mode actually? I should have that on. Let's do that. Follow only mode. How did I do that? No, not subscribers only. Followers only. Subscribers only is too much. Nah, I'm not. You know, that's too much. But yo, if y'all want to sub to the channel though, I mean, I do stream for free every day. You know, chat? I do stream for free every day, every morning. If you're on YouTube watching, I stream for free every day, Monday to Friday still, every morning on Twitch. Why did I choose Twitch? The vibes. and I'll probably stay on Twitch. I'll come on to YouTube to post videos. All my videos go on YouTube first, but the vibes and the streams will be on Twitch always. Twerk, please. 100 gifted. Any profits today, bro? Yeah, we did 0.86% today. NYSE open chat. This is the longest NYSE candle, man. It's been only 4 minutes. We're getting closer to take profit. Yeah. You flip bullish, right? Like I said, you flip bullish. Now it's just about really 29.18. I said you were going to struggle at 29.06, and then next struggle, 29.11. You did struggle there, but then you closed above there. Now it's 29.18. If you break above here, you're good to go up until here. If you break above 29.23, then you're good to go up until 29.26. Because my bias is still bullish today. Alright, so yeah, you should be good if you break the highs there. You should be good. I'm thinking you're good today. Just move your, now what you could do is move your stops to these lows here, because if that thing comes back down, then yeah, you're cooked. But I think that's a pretty good stop loss now, because that's like the second low you had. You had a low this morning, right? At pre-8, you had another low, and now you're coming back. If this is a fake out, it shouldn't break that low again. So you can actually reduce your stops if your stops are lower in that.